Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so we just got through with Samsung Unpacked. I'm on my way back home, but there's a very important video you guys need to know, and that is which Galaxy Note 10 should you buy? Because there's a huge difference right now, $300 difference right now that you need to know about. So if you go to Samsung's website and trade in an old phone, it is very, very important you get the unlocked variant. Why? Because that's the variant that gets you the $600 trade-in. Just to give you an example, my Note 9 would have got $300 if I had gotten the T-Mobile variant, Verizon variant, or AT&T variant. However, once I changed it to the unlocked variant, I was able to get the full $600 trade-in value. So it doubled my trade-in. This is very important and something that a lot of people aren't getting, and I really believe that Samsung should have clarified this so you only get that $600 trade-in with the unlocked variant. But it's very important for you guys to know, and that's why I wanted to do a quick video on how to save $300 on buying the Galaxy Note 10. Just get the unlocked variant. It'll work for all carriers, and then you won't have any issues if you ever decide to move to another carrier anyway. But this is a really big savings. I actually completed my full trade-in not knowing this, got the T-Mobile variant, realized this after, and then basically redid it, canceled my first one, redid it, and got the correct one. So it's very important you guys do this. I recommend it highly just to get the best overall deal. Go with the Samsung Unlocked Note 10 from Samsung's website if you want to get the absolute best deal from the Note 10 for right now. All right, guys, there's the other deals we should know about. Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.